Cinnamon challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't want it. Me. Are you okay? Oh, you messed it up. It's gonna come out of my nose. I felt like it was gonna go through my nose.
I could try.
No,
And then you can.
Oh, that's so gross.
I want to try because I want to taste cinnamon.
Oh, okay. Let her try a little bit.